purpose finding. Her expertise further expanded and encompassed employee engagement services. At Trigger Business School, Ms. Neha Ma'am is dedicated to nurturing the next generation of aspiring managers, empowering them with essential human values and soft skills to excel as future leaders.
Is the core interest of the HR guys and gaining some such insights from an industry leader like you. This was the most points and yeah, with the most precision and patience with which you taught us the lessons and taught us the topics was very important and was very noteworthy. Like many of us were freshers in this topic. We were learning this topic the first time in our lives, but we have grabbed